Okay, John Geiger Mendel. This scientist, John Geiger Mendel. Okay, this scientist explained about that the genes how they travel from parents to offspring. Okay, he is called as the father of genetics. He is called as a father of genetics. Chromosomes. Okay, this contain the thread-like structures. This is called as a chromosomes. These chromosomes contain the what specialization is there. Okay, they can contain special materials is there, that is called as a DNA. That is called as a DNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. First time they found about the James Watson. First time they found about the James Watson and Francis Crick. Okay, Francis Crick, they first time discovered the DNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. So the DNA structure is a double helix structure. The DNA contains the double helix structure is there. So the DNA, nucleus contain the chromosomes contain the DNA. Okay, DNA will be transmitted from the parents to offspring. Suppose any child is missing, an incident will happen. Okay, that how you can find it based on the DNA test. Okay, first time who discovered the DNA? James Watson and Francis Crick. Suppose any incident happened, any murder, suppose blood cells are there. Now every cell contains the nucleus is there. Hairs also, nails also, any murder that happened, any rape incident happened. The police they collect the samples, blood samples, nails, hairs, all they collect. We have any doubt is there first, and witness is there, we collect their samples. Suppose one example, hospital one baby they missing. Two mothers they came, this baby belongs to me, this baby belongs to me. So how you can find out? First the DNA test. Both mothers DNA sample will take and like baby sample. Who's the matching they handed to them. And nowadays most of the criminal cases they solve based on the DNA test. Okay, so this is a very important topic about that. Okay, first who discovered the DNA? James and Francis. What is the abbreviation of DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. So we can see the cell division, we take cell division in the human being. Okay, cell division in the human being. So we can see this, except the brain and heart, there is no, it will not take place the cell division. Brain and heart, it will not take place a cell division. But cell division, how they take place? They will ask the famous question. Help of the diagram, we can explain the cell cycle. Okay, cells how it will take place. The process of cell division is called as a mitosis. The process of cell division is called as a mitosis. The last one question, define the mitosis. The process of cell division is called as a mitosis. The process of cell division is called as a mitosis. Inside the cell, okay, we already discussed about the nucleus is there, cytoplasm is there. Okay, division of cytoplasm is called as a karyokinesis. One more question. The division of cytoplasm is called as a cytokinesis. Division of the nucleus is called as a karyokinesis. Cytoplasm, karyokinesis, nucleus is called as a cytokinesis. About the detail we discuss in the intermediate level. Okay, we can see the cell division how it takes place. The process of cell division, is called as a mitosis. Okay, this is a cell division completing purpose. 4 stages are there mainly. Okay, one is called as a G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, next M phase. Simply to draw this cell cycle. Okay, G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, and M phase. The period between two cell divisions is called as a interphase. The period between two cell divisions is called as a interphase. What is interphase? Speaking somebody. Okay, the process of cell division is called as a mitosis. The process of cell division is called as a mitosis. The period between two cell divisions is called as a interphase. Interphase contains the 3 stages are there: G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, M phase. Okay, this completing purpose will take you 40 to 60 minutes will take. Okay, means 1 hour. So one stage, means means G1 phase completing purpose 10.5 hours will take. Okay, S phase completing purpose 10.5 hours will take place. And again the G2 phase purpose 3.5 hours will take place, and M phase purpose will take place 1 hour. Mitosis, process of cell division is called as a mitosis will take place 60 minutes, means 1 hour. Other stages also is there. Other cell division means inside the cell nucleus is the nucleus contain the chromosomes contain the DNA. So DNA division how will take place? So first we can see called as a G1 phase. G1 phase is called as a gap 1 phase. This we can see G1 phase is called as a gap 1 phase. DNA, which structure is there? Double helix structure. So we can see G1 phase what will happen? DNA replication will be beginning. Okay, DNA replication will be beginning. So first division will go to start in this stage. It is called as gap 1 phase. Okay, DNA replication beginning stage. Okay, we can see next stage is called as S stage, S phase. So this is called as synthesizing phase. Okay, this is called as a synthesizing phase. This is a gap 1 phase. This is called as a synthesizing phase. What is synthesizing? DNA will be synthesized. Okay, here DNA beginning will start. Here synthesizing, and again DNA replication will be end. DNA replication will be end. So here will start. Here will be synthesizing. So this is called as a G1 phase. This is called as a synthesizing phase. G1 phase, another name is called as a gap 1 phase. S phase, another name is called as a synthesizing phase. G2 phase is called as a gap 2 phase. Okay, DNA replication will be beginning. DNA will be synthesized, and DNA replication will be end. So next we can call as a M phase. M phase means the cell division process will take place here. So two scientists, Johnson and again the Porto Narasimha Rao, two scientists. Okay, Porto Narasimha, these two scientists explain about that. Okay, DNA replication. Okay, the process of cell division, how they take place. Okay, that is entered to the M phase. M phase is called as a mitosis cell division. So this okay, Porto Narasimha Rao and Johnson they given explain about that. Okay, mitral. Okay, mitral they given explain about that cell division, how they take place. They given crucial information. Based on this, cell division mainly classified into two types. Okay, very very important form question. One is called as a mitosis, and again that one is called as a meiosis. Okay, so two cell divisions for the diagram will explain form question are there that we will be discussing in next class. First we can see the cell cycle. This was a form question. This stages will ask. Okay, M phase contain the again four steps are there. This is called as a okay prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So about this we will be discussing mitosis cell division and again that meiosis cell division. Cells how they dividing, how they can enter, and the replication that we will be discussing in next class. This is a very very important topic about cell division and continuation of life. So cell cycle, how many stages are there? Four stages. G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, M phase. Who discovered the chromosomes? Carl Fleming. Who is the father of genetics? Who discovered the DNA? What is the structure of the DNA?
Double helix structure.
Okay.